Hello again, welcome back to the UnlovedJDM channel. So today we wanted to show you a little job that we've got to do on Spencer's MX5. Now, if you saw the other video, we did talk about this car and the difference of opinion that we've got over how it was done, and how James would do it and how I would do it. That's not relevant to this, but what is relevant is this. So this is the exhaust that he's bought for it, which he wants putting on it. So let's get it up in the air, see what's under there now, and see if we can get it on. Alright, so up in the air, the plan is to remove essentially this part. We may actually use, we're using that flange, but we may actually use some of this instead of the whole material that we've got down there. But we'll lose that box. We've got to make the other box fit there at a slightly different angle. And then, of course, join the two pieces together so somewhere between there and there. There'll be a few little angles along the way, but first things first, let's get this off, remove somewhere there, and work out how it's going to sit.
A few moments later.
It's getting wet. It's getting wet. Right, so offer this up. And we can work out what we need to put in the middle. Oh, she's snug in bumper.
Oh, you're hitting that bracket,
Am I?
not bracket.
We can always do it a bit lower. We can always go there. That doesn't stick out massively, does it, when you're above it?
It looks alright, that actually.
I suppose from our angle. Sorry. Okay.
I think so long as we don't go below this.
Yeah, no, that'd be good. Yeah. I'll think about that, James.
Yeah. There.
Hang on. No, come here. Yeah, it might do.
Okay, Mazda in my eyes.
Same story tomorrow.
That needs to bring that up.
No. You put it in hollow then. It's not better. Ben's over there thinking I'm missing out on action. Don't you lie to me, son. Yeah, no, if it goes somewhere like that, that gives enough sort of space for pipework. And it still looks clean.
Needs that there. What's he doing?
James, just roll your eyes.
Right, that won't sit perfectly where I want it. Come here, James, just things you want to move on. Check that. There's a slick bumper there that we haven't done.
Oh, yeah.
But I want that lined up with it. You with me?
Yeah.
So whatever pivot angle we go for, as long as that edge lines up with that.
Wait. I'm wondering why it's louder. I forgot I got my fucking earmuff up here. You only want to turn around and I felt it on my head then. What a fucking dick.
Please tell me you got that on video.
Yes.
Good man. You're a sausage, aren't you?
What?
You're right there.
Meow.
Oh no, what we do?
We need enough.
Yeah,
Not that.
you don't know how much we need.
We just literally need the 90. So where the bend ends. I don't know that.
No. I hope you're recording this.
I am, I'm getting
What
closer.
do you always say? Especially when it goes wrong.
Mike's fault.
Fucking.
Aside from that, what do you always say?
Mike.
I told you.
Go on the last word.
Oh, what? Oh, go on the last word of the boss.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but I don't want to do this because I went off last word at boss when our last says, oh, I want to see if I'll grab Picasso. And I says, no, they're horrible, crap, we've got to let
You bought an Audi! And you had a Tigra.
Yeah, I did.
And you worried about a Picasso.
Yeah. Which end do you want me to cut?
This side.
You want me to cut on that side?
If that's okay.
Oh, I hope your camera's recording.
Welding. What then, blind?
Just get archive.
I wouldn't say it hurts, it's just more irritating.
Yeah. Like I said, mine tends to wake me up, you stupid fuck. Like you just laid there going, oh yeah. That was a spare bit of stainless here.
You what?
That was a spare bit of stainless.
Yeah, it's not the lightest.
No, like I say, it weren't the cheapest one, but
No. Thing is though, you don't really want cheap fruit those, do you?
no. Well, everyone I've done for myself in the past would just make out of mild steel.
Yeah.
But I thought for this one, I thought, well, I'll buy stainless and do it that way.
Baffled and whatnot.
Were you filming that one? I was as well.
Hey you guys!
Those of all of us.
Oh my god.
Don't have to sail.
It's ironic that safety glasses are the ones that put me in eye.
Head's brave and he's sat firing like that.
Grab all of that then.
All good?
We'll get this in
Can you
there.
say this? Isn't it? I'm not going to finish that one. this bit on it for me.
Oh, Kearns, bit out of pain. You get it as well.
Yeah, good.
There?
What's this one?
Right, grab welding. Just put a tap between me.
Eyes. Pretty shitty earth there. Oh, it's because the tubes aren't connected together yet.
Alright, you're attacking.
Eyes.
That bit.
Big gap on this side.
Yeah, no, that's why it needed to. That's why I wanted it tacking there. So I was splitting that and join that, but I'm going off at last word at boss.
Eyes.
Burning me hair!
One more.
It's already on fire.
One more tack on that one.
I'm legally blind!
Well done there, James.
So, ladies and gentlemen, whoever's watching still, that gap there would not have been there if Mike would have let me tack it properly there. I could have taken this off then, cut it to fit, but it's going to be a learning curve for Ben on how to fill gaps.
That's why I did it.
The poor fucker, oh yeah, of course it is.
It's not, I didn't see it, I was still on there.
You've got your work cut out for you now.
No, it's fine, it just needs a bit of sleeve over it.
No, because it looks, you can fill that with, anyone that can weld would be able to fill that gap. Ask me how I know. I can fill gaps.
I'm not sure where you're going with this, but okay.
Mike's going to fill me in a minute.
No!
Booked you an appointment with Phil McCracken.
I don't know what the 13 keeping is. Is that mine that's on?
If you need a light, let me know. Where you pull it in. Doesn't penetrate, just leaves the marble on top, so if you get closer, the closer you get.
So you saw a tip from James, the closer you get, the better penetration.
Alright, so we're all welded up. Ben's learning to weld, which is why we've let him go on this one. He's actually done really well for his first time, to be honest. I definitely don't think that nobody would do that for the first time.
Anybody that's welded, if that's your first go, you can not knock that at all.
No.
At all.
No, I like that. Right. Let's get it into place and then we'll see how it sounds.
Good job, Ben.
The first time.
Thank you.
Well done, Ben.
Really good job.
So, can you grab that end?
Which one's grabbing?
Now then.
Did anybody eat?
Yes, please.
We got some out of the bus.
Yeah. One's already not wanting himself.
A few moments later.
Yes. That should look alright, I like that. Hang on.
Give it a little tickle, don't go mad. I said a little tickle.
That was a little one.
Have you a little car? Well, on that note, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed and we'll see you in the next video.